The Sun-Joe SPX200-GO. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. With a grime-busting max pressure of 2,000 pounds per square inch and max flow of 1.7 gallons per minute, the toughest cleaning jobs are as easy as point and spray. Clean, restore, transform. Blast through grime with the 13.5 fluid ounces onboard foam cannon that delivers thick clinging suds for a deeper clean. The 4 quick connect nozzles, from a 0-degree pinpoint jet to a 40-degree light-duty spray, make any cleanup easy. The SPX200-GO powers through stubborn grime for a spotless signature Sun-Joe shine. The heavy-duty 20-foot high-pressure hose uses high-tensile wire reinforced tubing and a smooth inner core to minimize pressure drop like commercial gas units. Sun-Joe's 13-amp motor delivers gas-like power with electric convenience. At just 17.6 pounds, the SPX200-GO is compact, portable, and easy to maneuver with smooth rolling wheels for effortless cleaning. Backed by Sun-Joe's 2-year warranty. So there's no better time to win the war on grime. Go with Joe. Get equipped.